Now we are going to solve the 8th problem in chapter 8, heat and thermodynamics. What is mentioned in the problem? In an adiabatic expansion of the air, the volume is increased by 4%. What is the percentage change in pressure? What is percentage change in the pressure? That is the question. Here, very simple problem. Here gamma of air is given. Gamma of air is given. Gamma of air is 1.4. That is the data which is given in the problem. Since it is the adiabatic process, we have to write the equation of the adiabatic process. So, how to start with? For an adiabatic process, first you write the name of the process. For an adiabatic process, what is the equation? PV gamma is constant. That is the equation called equation of adiabatic process. Okay. Now I am going to differentiate this. On differentiating, the next step you have to write like this. On differentiating, I am going to differentiate this. If it is differentiated, you will get V gamma dP plus gamma V gamma minus 1 P dV is equal to 0. If constant is differentiated, you will get 0. Now you keep this dP in one side. dP here V gamma is there, no, we can split it. Okay. V gamma dP is equal to minus of gamma V gamma minus 1 P dV can be written. In the next step, keep dP in one side. This dP and P that can be brought down. dP, keep dP in one side and P can be brought in this side. So, what is the remaining factor? The remaining factor would be minus gamma V gamma minus 1, P was already brought in this side, dV is there. Okay. And here one V gamma is there, that V gamma that can be brought down here. Okay. Now this one could be split into two parts, minus gamma V gamma V power of minus 1 dV divided by V gamma. In that format we can write. Here V gamma both can be cancelled. Okay. V gamma can be cancelled, this V gamma can be cancelled, this V power of minus 1 that can be brought down. So, what is the next formula? dP by P is equal to minus gamma dV divided by this V power of minus 1 that can be written down in the denominator. Now, we have got a new formula. You are asked to calculate the percentage in the pressure change. So, dP by P to be calculated. Here already the value of gamma is known. The change in the percentage change in the volume is given. Are you clear? Again we will recall what is mentioned in the problem. Okay. So, the correct data must be written here. The volume is increased by 4%. Volume is increased by 4% means dV by V is equal to 4%. That must be substituted, gamma must be substituted, minus 1.4 into 4%. If both are substituted, you will get minus 5.6%. Here the negative sign, it has got its own significance and we have to write. Negative sign shows what it shows? Decrease in pressure. Are you clear? Decrease in pressure. Negative symbol that shows that the decrease in the pressure During which process? During this adiabatic process. Okay. During adiabatic process. So the proper conclusion must be written. In the textbook, negative symbol is not mentioned, but we have to give appropriate answer finally at the end. Okay.